Hi, this morning I was watching the Dr. Mix video about the Kraftwerk Man Machine album, and it's a good video, you should definitely go and watch it. And he was talking about the clicks on the sounds, the percussive sort of arpeggios, and the way he was describing it kind of implied that there was a second sound source making this typewriter type sound, as he called it. Now I had a feeling it wasn't that complicated, so what I've got here is a new module I'm working on, so don't worry too much about that yet, but I've got 2 oscillators, filter and 2 envelopes. Now I've got the key track off on here, so filter cutoff is not moving with the notes. I've got a tiny bit of envelope here, this is bipolar envelope sweep, and a really short decay on the envelope. And I've got some filter cutoff coming in from the second channel on the sequencer. So when I press play, you can hear the ticking, or the typewriter sound as he described it. Now if I turn the filter cutoff off, cutoff follow off, you can hear the tick. And it's just a really small, very fast envelope. I'm not sure if that'll come out. That's the first note where I've got all the notes playing, and then if I go to the second channel you can see the CVs here. Now I also wanted to have a go at recreating the snare drum sound, so and it's kind of there, it's close, not quite right. So what I've got is my WTF oscillator, and I'm morphing between 2 waveforms, 2 vocally waveforms. Again, I've got a very quick envelope that's doing that sweep, and I've got a tiny amount of pitch bend at the front just to give it that chuck sound. It's close, it's not perfect, but it kind of works. So if I change the decay time for the envelope sweep, you can kind of see the effect this has. There you go. If I turn it off, you can hear the steady sound. Just have a little bit of envelope sweep there, and that goes through a filter, it's an Oakley super ladder, which is somewhere between low pass, 1 pole, and band pass, so it's kind of just chopping a bit of the bottom end off. So that was the snare drum, and then for the bass drum, pretty standard stuff. I've got a self-resonant transistor ladder filter here, and then over here I've got a little bit of white noise that's being filtered just a smidge, just to give it a bit of a tick. But altogether I think it works really well. Thanks for watching.